Alright world, here we are back with another video unboxing and testing the Greenworks 2508302 40 volt 17-inch cordless lawnmower. I got a really small lawn here, so I figured I'd go with the battery version. I thought about the corded model, it's a little cheaper, but since I don't have a huge lawn, I figured I'd spoil myself. Let's open this thing up and see what's inside. I hope it's in good shape because this box looks like it fell off a truck. Oh my god. Yeah, it's a little beat up. Let's see what happens. Alright, let's open this thing up. Well, no paper. No stuffing in here, nothing. Just laid in here. What do we got here? Got some pieces of cardboard. The basket, oh, there we go. Battery. Let's put that to the side. What do we got here? We got the control arm. Basket. Kind of like on the small side, but I'm not gonna need a bigger one. All right, here, what's this? Charger. I can't believe this is just laid in here like this. No styrofoam, nothing. I hope it even turns on. Let's try to pull it out. Doesn't look like anything's holding it. And there it is. There it is. What else is in here? Oh, what's this? Look at this Greenworks. Some cable ties that forgot to even connect to anything. And we got some, I don't know, some shipping paper. That's about it. There goes that. Well, let's take a look at it here. Instructions are in the battery compartment, and doesn't look too bad. I hope it turns on. All right, there it is all together. All it is these clips that fold in, and you put it together and lock them in place. This one was giving me a little bit of a trouble, and I'm wondering if it got banged up in shipping. If anybody out there bought one of these, let me know. Does this come with styrofoam, or is it just thrown in a box like that? That's pretty weird. Anyway, this is the battery cover. Just lift it up, slide the battery in. There's a key here that you put in to disengage the motor. I guess you could take that if you have kids, you don't want them messing with it. You could take it and hide it. I'm gonna take out the mulch plug because I'm gonna try to bag this. So you lift up this door here, and the mulch plug's in there. I don't know if you can see it, but it kind of clips in on the bottom. So if you pull up on it, you have to pull up on it, and it has these tabs on the bottom that go in these two spots here. So if you want to put it back in, don't push it in all the way. You got to lock it down in place so it locks down in there. I don't know if you can see that there. There's bars over here. Sorry about that. And these bars just kind of hook up onto that spot right there. So we'll lay this bag in and go to get to cutting. You just lay that back down like that. What I did was I charged the battery, so this is a bit later. It's getting dark out. You know what I mean? So should I see what we can cut? Let me get the battery, slide it in. What's cool about this battery is it gives you a level indicator. So let's see, is it charged? Press down, there you go. And it actually clips in, so let's take that and slide it in. Slide down, the contacts facing up, just put it in that track. right there. Just let it slide in there. Make sure you click it. Now it's locked. Okay, if you want to take it out, you push that button down, lock it back in. Another thing that happens is, let's get this motor plug out of the way. I did try to start it already. I turned it on, and one thing I was messing with is I was pulling this back. I was pulling back the safety bar and pressing the button, and it won't start. So make sure you push the button first, then pull back on it. Then it turns on. So make sure that. I thought it was broken, but you have to push the button and then pull the arm back. So hold the button down, push the arm back, and it'll turn on. Another thing is, excuse me, this one has 6 levels. So I'll show you. You press this button right here, and you pull up on this handle, and it'll lower and raise for you. So I don't know if you can see that. You know, you get some height on there. You know, if you can see that, pretty big difference. So a couple of inches high there. I'm gonna try to do a pass and see what happens. Pretty good. Shuts off immediately. As you can see, I don't know if you could tell there, that was the highest setting, and it did take off some. It did take off something. And I don't see a lot of grass cut over here, so I don't know if you could see that line that it left. You know, maybe we'll lower it a little bit. Try another pass. Let's try that. I had it on number 6. They say don't cut grass too much, but let's try to do this for the video. We'll put it on 3. Let's see what happens. Press the button, pull back. See that path, but it looks all right. Looks all right. Not too bad. Not too bad. This is like about 2 inches, maybe 1.5 inches. Looks pretty good. Pretty good. Yeah, I just cut the lawn. First impressions. Well, it cuts really good, but it is brand new. It's a bit of a learning curve because I do have some trees and corners, and it's a small yard, 400 square feet, and I knew it would cut good. It's brand new, but like I said, it's a little bit awkward to turn and things because it is has a bag on it, and my old lawnmower didn't have a bag. It was just an electric model with no bagging capabilities. The clippings would just fall and I'd have to rake it, but it was a little bit easier to maneuver. But this one did a good job, and like I said, a small learning curve to try to get around the trees and things. But let's see how much grass you cut. I had it on number 3, so let's empty this bag and see what's going on. And there you go. I say about 3/4 full, probably almost full because like sitting on its side. But that's 400 square feet roughly of grass. So it did pretty good. Let's see if there's any buildup underneath. Nah, not too much. Not too much buildup. So take a hose to it, clean it out a little bit. Let's see on the back. Yeah, pretty good. Not too much build up there, but I don't know. Give it a thumbs up if you like this video.